Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I am giving you demonstration how to convert JPG file to Word document or text editable doc file. So let's start as a demonstration. You can convert any kind of not even JPG, PNG or other format, but those data is needed to image to store some text related information. So let's start. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So I'm giving you an example. Like this is an image and I want to convert this image as a text format because I need this image. I can type very easily, depend upon my typing speed, but sometimes I needed as a fraction of second those data as a convertible in a text format. To how to deal with this, so let's start as a demonstration. First of all, open your Google tab and just type here OCR and enter. So here link is coming, OCR online, ocr.net. I click here. I'm putting this link in video description also, you can check video description. So here select the file. So my file is available on desktop, so 100% is complete. Now convert, extension is a doc file. So here I can copy this word as well as I can download this file. So I download this file after convert this text. So look at this file is absolutely are convertible like this. And edit this file and just only in a fraction of second. This is an image, and after conversion, even file name, look at this screenshot 2020 08 21 2020 08 21, and sometimes are displaying that. So you can use these features and solve your problem for the sometimes you receive the any PDF, you can convert as a PDF also and a Word format with the help of this software. And it's very helpful to convert any JPG, PNG to editable text format. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.